What you got there, Steve?
My new mug.
What does it say on it?
Huggy Steve.
Okay, no, no, no. Hello folks, welcome to another tech donation in the series. Just had these come in. What are they? Well, they're Lenovo docking stations. 3 of those with the laptops. Older generation. What we got here? It is. Oh, it's a Lenovo T400 with Vista and Intel Centrino 2 on there. I got 3 of those, so I'm going to give those to Steve. Steve will be doing some home refurbs on those and the chargers. That's all right, isn't it? They're older stuff, but that'll keep him busy. What else? What else have we got? Got a box. Oh, got a box. Oh, hang on. Knock, knock. Warning. Right, well, we'll come back to that now. Just come in, literally, but I had to freeze the camera there. Had our friend Paul from Wise Employment just brought in a box of laptops. Some Dells. We've got a Dell. What is it? It's a Dell Latitude E6430S. Now this is the boss's one from Wise. It's got some problems. He wants it back in a working order, so that's just going to be a service on that one. He says it got very, very hot, and he thinks he might have fried the board on that one. So we'll have a look at that one. What else have we got? We got this old Dell. What's this? Oh, it's an old thing, isn't it? It's a Dell it's an old Windows XP machine. It is a Dell Latitude D420 Centrino for XP. Ooh. Sony Vaio. Sony Vaio. Windows 7 Core 2 Duo. Yeah, it's a Sony Vaio VGN NW20SF. Might be alright. Windows 7 Home sticker on the back. I think we might go for Windows 10 on that one. Get Steve doing that one. What else we got, Nige? Oh, another old Dell. What we got here then? Oh, AMD 64 Athlon. It's a Vostro 1000, Dell Vostro 1000, Windows Vista. Scrap. So, getting the hard drives out of that today. So literally those have just come in as I was filming. What else has come in, Nige? Let's get back to this box. Right, what's in the box? What's in the box, Nige? Ooh. What is it? It is a Zebra GK420D label printer. It's a label printer. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, with labels in it. Oh, I wonder if we could use that in here. Give that a go. I wonder if it works. As you know, stuff comes in which isn't working most of the time, some of the time, all of the time. We'll give that a go. Is the power supply in there? 24 volt, 2.5 amps. Is the power supply? Nope. Alright, have to park that for a while. So that's that lot. Oh, here we go again. Another bit of IT gold coming into the workshop. What you got, Marky?
I've got a lot of cobwebs, moths and dust. And underneath all that, there may or may not be a PC lurking.
Oh, here we go again. Look at that.
Yeah, that
This is standard fare for the age of the PC. It is. It's an old Dell
Pentium 4, isn't it?
P4, is it?
Yeah.
Monster. Yeah, an old P4 Monster.
I think that's a graphics card, although it's under so much dust.
Yeah, even that moth. Where is the moth? There he is.
I think he
Hello,
committed
little moth.
suicide.
I think he had enough as well, didn't he? Poor old chap.
So it's a Dimension 5150 from Dell.
What else came in then, Marky?
Well, I'll do my very best.
Just had
generation
this
game.
in no more than 3 minutes ago. We don't normally take printers, but this is a rather posh Epson printer with. Can you
ET2600.
remove the
Yeah, look at this.
with refillable cartridges on the side?
So presumably just refill the ink like that and pop that back on.
How about that? And a full set of bottles as well.
Look pretty brand new, don't they? Look at that.
I doubt it.
Marky's got his gloves on, it was so bad.
Yeah. Oh, it's
Did you find the hard drive? Oh, don't make it.
80 gig.
Keep the dust inside.
There's the hard drive, lovely. Actually, on the other side, fantastic. 80 gigabytes, SATA 7200 RPM
Oh dear.
with free
Dust.
dust. Yes.
Good. Thank you.
We'll need a blasting, won't it?
Yeah, I have to wipe that now. Right. There's so much rubbish in there. Just take it outside, Mark, and just leave it out in the rain. I'm not even going to bother doing anything with that because, you know, there are limits.
Yeah, it's not healthy, I don't think, to be honest. It's just not healthy, is it?
I'm sure we're going to be expecting some rain. Stick it on the patio table, Mark. Oh, it is raining now. Give it a wash. That's how bad it is. We're going to scrap it any... Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. Yeah, it's not pleasant, is it? Not pleasant at all.
Not healthy, not pleasant. Oh.
What you got there, Steve?
My new mug.
What does it say on it?
Huggy Steve.
Okay, no. So Steve is with me again. What have you been doing this morning, Steve? What did I get you going?
Oh, you got me going through loads of power cables, counting them. Well, actually, 225 of them.
225
Yes, 225.
standard power cables. Doing a bulk deal on that lot. And what else?
And a load of keyboards, USB.
3 boxes?
Yeah, 3 boxes, various amount in each box.
Various amount. Have you counted them?
Yes, they have been counted, yes.
Oh, it's got a mark. Oh, I see.
They're written on top.
Oh, good. Right. And new from last time you saw, we've got all this racking down the centre now, such as the abundance of our end of line stock coming in. It's all looking very, very smart now. Let's go outside, Steve.
Yeah.
Let's go outside. It's starting to rain. Yeah, now all those arms, I got the lads to stack them all outside now. I got so many of them. That's going to be quite an effort over the next few weeks, I suspect. If you're enjoying watching this today, watching some more tech donations, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to our YouTube video. Check out our Facebook page. There it is, right there. I've also moved our reboot display. So this over here, Steve, this is no longer functioning. That's up for sale with the stand. But over here, have a look at here, Steve. I've put the little PC on the side here, and I've got it going onto one of these Pro displays, 21.5 inch, on one of our arms. So that is much neater. The long-term plan here, over here, Steve, is to get rid of this, get this out of the way, get this out of the way, move the racking round and put, well, basically that's all going to be racking when I've been able to get hold of a bit more racking.
progress.
Well, we're joined with RetroMarques,
That's me.
and he's got using this little box here, which is a standard PC with an Intel Atom in it.
Yep, 2 gigs of RAM, 1.8 gigahertz, I think.
What is it, an Acer?
ASUS, yeah.
ASUS. Yes, so that's one of our that came in from here. Marky's put a game emulator on it, and we're just playing Defender. Go on, fire it up.
Listen to those sounds.
Oh, that brings back some memory, folks, doesn't it? Back in the day.
Whoa. I tell you what, they're harder than I remember, these games. My God.
I'll put, if the video is up in time, I shall put a link below to RetroMarques' channel, to the video that he's done, a more in-depth video on this one. But this could be a good way of reusing these things, because I'm struggling to put Windows 10 on these because of Atom processors. They're just not up to the task. So that could be a future venture with Marky. Thank you very much, Marky, for that. We'll keep an eye on that.
I would love to build a bunch of these for you, no problem at all.
Brilliant. Finally for the day, just had these come in. What are they? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 of them. Oh, what are they? They are HP Z400 workstations with Xeons in them. Windows 7. I don't know what sort of Xeons they are. I think I'm going to take one apart. I dropped one of them as I was wheeling them out of the office complex, or I just picked them up. Oh, hello.
We've seen worse though.
Yeah. Right. Let's have an image inside, shall we? So here we are. I mean, it's relatively clean in here, really, apart from that rather large dust bunny which I showed you. So it's a workstation. So the Xeon is somewhere underneath there. I am tempted to just pop that off, Mark, and have a look at it, shall we?
There, yeah. I'd love to see under
I think
there.
we better do that. Let's have a rummage in there.
I should get a screwdriver.
Yeah. Okay, so down here then, Mark, just taking the heatsink off. There is the CPU. So it looks like all this comes off. Now the one thing our donor said, there is no memory. He has retained the memory for now. These have actually come out of working systems, so he needs the memory just in case of others, but we are going to be getting the memory. So back on the CPU then, Mark. Let's have a quick clean up there. I'm not sure, I don't think I will remove the chip because this is the prime time that dust gets in there before we blasted them. So we'll have a polish up. Right. If I can go on this side, Mark, please. Let's have a zoom in. It's a W3503, I think. There we are. It's a W3503 2009. Only 2 cores, 2 threads, which surprised me. Should it surprise me? I don't know really. So the question is, what am I going to do with these? I've got 10 of them. Haven't got any memory. It appears there's 2 different flavours of these workstations I've got. This one's slightly different. The heatsink is different for sure, because this has got pipes on it. Also, it's got a graphics card in it. It's got a Fire Pro graphics. Here it is. It's a V4900 with 2 display ports and a DVI. All right, Steve, just whipped off the heatsink there, haven't we? Let's have a what have you managed to find a number on that one now, Steve?
Yes, it's a Intel.
It's a phone looking at a phone.
Yes, it's a W3550. It's running at 3.06 gigahertz.
Here we are. W3550 is a 4-core 8 threads. That's more like it. That's what I expected the other ones to be like. Excellent. I wonder how many of those there are. You know, I've put them in a cage now. I've got to go and pick up some more stuff today, so that might be another video for next week. Thanks for sticking by another video this week. Hope you've enjoyed it. Remember to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, leave some comments, see what else you want to see during these videos. Thank you very much. See you next week.
Jurassicon Productions.